Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. We're gonna unveil this top end. See how it look like. All right, we're back on this Audi A4. This video, we're gonna be taking out this valve cover. There she is, valve cover. There's tons of bolts on here, on the valve cover here. So, taking those valve covers, they're all right here. We had to do in sequence. They got this diagram right there. There's a diagram right there to remove the head. So basically, you work start from the outside and you work your way in right after. So start from one row and then second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So that's what we're gonna do. And there's one little bolt right here that's hidden right there. Okay, so we had to take out this solenoid here. There's a little torque right there. I think that's torque. This is T20. Now let's take out all these bolts now. But you're gonna crack them open. Alright guys, so all the bolts are gone. Take them off. So now we're gonna pry this valve cover off. There's a spot right here. There's a spot right here in the front. Same thing on the other side. And then the back, there's a little wedge. You can put a pry bar in there. Same thing on the other side. That's where you pry this cover off. So let's start doing that here. See if this thing come off. Here, get you guys in a close-up view. Here's the exhaust. Here's the intake. Let's try to wipe them off and see how it looks. Yeah, it seems like there's a lot of marking on these cams. It looks like looks like there's not much oil up here when these things are running. Looks like it's all dried out. So you guys get really close on this. That's a lot of marking on that cam lubes and shaft. Not sure about running all this. Only way to check is get some measurement on this lift and the cams and the lube. See what kind of measurement we get. But you know what, just to save some time, why not just get a brand new one. So it looks like where the cam sits right here, it seems like they look smooth, they look okay. There's no scoring, there's no marking or anything. Looks good to me. What do you guys think? Show you the intake valve here. I don't know if you can see that, but just a lot of carbon buildup. This is the number 2. Lots of carbon. All right, just I open it up because I want to see how it looks okay to me, except this cam. This cam looks lots of line, lots of scoring. There's the exhaust one. All right, so we're gonna have to investigate more, so stay tuned for the more video coming up, and I'll see you later.